Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw contractor payments with remote.com detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw contractor payments with remote.com, start by logging into your remote account. Once logged in, navigate to the payments section from the main dashboard. In the payments section, look for the withdraw option. Click on the withdraw button to proceed. Next, select the payment method you wish to use for your withdrawal. Available options may include bank transfers or digital wallets. After selecting your payment method, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure to review any fees associated with your chosen payment method. Once you have confirmed the amount, click on the Continue button. You may be prompted to verify your identity at this stage. Follow the on-screen instructions for identity verification. After verification, review the withdrawal details displayed. Ensure all information is correct before finalizing the transaction. When you are ready, click the Submit button to process your withdrawal. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been received. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding the status of your withdrawal. Withdrawals typically take a few business days to process. Once your withdrawal is complete, the funds will be deposited into your selected payment method. You can track the status of your withdrawal in the payments section of your account. If you encounter any issues, refer to Remote's Help Center for assistance. This concludes the guide on how to withdraw contractor payments using remote.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.